Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland beckons with an allure that transcends the ordinary. This land of pristine beauty and cultural richness stands as a testament to nature's grandeur and human ingenuity. As we embark on a journey through this Alpine wonderland, every snow-capped peak and cobblestone village tells a story woven with threads of timeless traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and a commitment to excellence. Switzerland's landscape is a symphony of diversity, where the majestic Alps take center stage. Towering peaks clad in snow form a dramatic backdrop against azure skies. Glacial lakes mirror the surrounding peaks, creating postcard-perfect reflections. Verdant valleys and meadows dotted with wildflowers unfold as a testament to nature's artistry. The Swiss countryside, with its charming farms and idyllic villages, paints a picture of serenity that captivates every visitor. The Swiss Alps, an iconic silhouette against the horizon, need no introduction. This mountain range, a defining feature of Switzerland, offers not just a visual spectacle, but a playground for adventure enthusiasts. Skiing down powdery slopes, hiking through alpine meadows, and scaling majestic peaks, each experience is a brushstroke on the canvas of an alpine panorama that invites exploration. Switzerland's culture is a harmonious blend of influences from neighboring countries, shaped by its multilingual and multicultural tapestry. The nation's commitment to neutrality has not only defined its geopolitical stance, but has also fostered a culture that embraces diversity. In cities like Zurich, Basel, and Geneva, modernity seamlessly integrates with centuries-old traditions, creating an atmosphere where history and progress coexist. Switzerland is renowned for its precision and craftsmanship, epitomized by its watchmaking industry. In cities like Geneva, horological artistry reaches its zenith. The meticulous craftsmanship of Swiss watches reflects not just the passing of time, but a commitment to perfection that has become synonymous with the Swiss brand. Beyond the traditional, Switzerland is a hub of innovation. Cities like Zurich and Lausanne are vibrant centers of technological advancement and research. The Swiss have a penchant for pushing boundaries, whether it's in the fields of science, finance, or sustainable development. The spirit of innovation and a commitment to excellence permeate every aspect of Swiss life. Swiss cuisine is a delightful exploration of flavors, blending influences from German, French, and Italian culinary traditions. Fondue, raclette, and chocolate are not just dishes. They are expressions of a culinary heritage deeply rooted in local ingredients and an appreciation for gastronomic plaisirs. Switzerland, with its alpine landscapes, multicultural cities, and a commitment to excellence, unfolds as a destination that transcends expectations. Whether you seek the thrill of mountain adventures, the charm of historic villages, or the sophistication of urban life, Switzerland invites you to immerse yourself in a journey where every step is a discovery and every moment a celebration of nature and culture. Join us as we traverse this extraordinary tapestry of Swiss beauty and traditions, a journey that promises to leave an indelible mark on the heart. Nestled within the embrace of the Swiss Alps, Switzerland stands as a premier destination for winter enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. As the snow blankets the majestic peaks, the landscape transforms into a playground for those who crave the exhilaration of ski resorts and alpine adventures. At the foot of the iconic Matterhorn, Zermatt emerges as a crown jewel among ski destinations. This car-free ville, with its charming streets and traditional Swiss chalets, serves as a gateway to a skiing paradise. Zermatt offers a variety of slopes for skiers of all levels, from gentle runs for beginners to challenging descents that test the skills of seasoned experts. But Zermatt is more than just a ski resort. It's an immersive alpine experience where the Matterhorn watches over every adventure. Venture to St. Moritz, where glitz and glamour meet the pristine beauty of frozen lakes. This world-renowned resort town, synonymous with luxury, welcomes skiers to its well-groomed slopes and hosts prestigious events like the Winter Olympics and the Polo World Cup on ice. Glide down the frozen expanse of Lake St. Moritz or navigate the Engaden's extensive network of cross-country ski trails. St. Moritz is a destination where alpine adventure seamlessly merges with a refined alpine lifestyle. For those seeking off-piste challenges and a vibrant après-ski scene, Verbier beckons. Situated in the Four Valleys, Verbier boasts an extensive network of freeride terrain, attracting adrenaline junkies from around the globe. From the powdery descents of Montfort to the exhilarating backcountry routes, Verbier is a haven for advanced skiers and snowboarders. The Jungfrau region, with its trio of towering peaks, Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau, sets the stage for a symphony of alpine adventures. Ski through the stunning landscapes of Wengen and Grindelwald, where pristine slopes offer panoramic views of the Aletsch Glacier. For a truly unique experience, take the Jungfraujoch Railway to the top of Europe, where a high-altitude world of ice and snow awaits. Switzerland's alpine adventures extend beyond the ski slopes. Strap on snowshoes to explore pristine winter trails, immersing yourself in the tranquility of snow-covered forests. Dare to try ice climbing on frozen waterfalls or embark on a husky safari through the snowy wilderness. Switzerland invites you to embrace the winter wonderland in myriad ways, ensuring there's an adventure for every soul. As you traverse the winter trails, imagine the tales that have been whispered through generations. Swiss folklore, rich in myths and legends, finds its place in the snowy forests. The Tatzelwurm, a mythical creature said to dwell in the Alps, and the stories of benevolent spirits that guard the mountains add an extra layer of enchantment to the winter landscape. Swiss folklore becomes a guide, unraveling the secrets hidden within the snow-covered trees. Enhance your winter journey by engaging with local guides who share not only the trails, but also the stories embedded in the landscape. Gather around firesides and mountain huts, where tales of winter adventures and folklore come alive. Swiss hospitality, coupled with local storytelling, creates an atmosphere where the warmth of camaraderie contrasts with the cool embrace of the winter air. Switzerland is a land of enchanting landscapes and vibrant cities, each with its unique charm and cultural identity. Among the jewels of this picturesque country, Zurich, Lucerne, Basel, Bern, and Montreux stand out as captivating destinations that seamlessly blend history, modernity, and natural beauty. Let's embark on a journey through these cities, discovering their distinct personalities and the stories they have to tell. Nestled along the shores of Lake Zurich, the city is a harmonious blend of contemporary urbanity and traditional Swiss charm. Renowned as a global financial center, Zurich offers more than just economic prowess. The Old Town, with its medieval architecture and cobblestone streets, contrasts with the sleek elegance of Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping avenues. A walk along the Limmat River or a visit to the Kunsthaus Zurich reveals the city's rich cultural heritage. Zurich invites you to experience the perfect fusion of business and leisure. Lucerne, nestled between the pristine Lake Lucerne and the majestic Swiss Alps, is a postcard-perfect destination. The iconic Chapel Bridge and Water Tower gracefully adorn the cityscape, while the Lion Monument pays homage to Swiss guards of the French Revolution. Take a boat cruise on Lake Lucerne or ascend Mount Pilatus for breathtaking panoramic views. The medieval architecture of the Old Town, combined with the modernity of the Culture and Convention Center, creates an enchanting atmosphere that captures the essence of Lucerne's timeless beauty. Situated at the crossroads of Switzerland, France, and Germany, Basel is a cultural melting pot enriched by its diverse influences. The city is home to renowned art museums, including the Kunstmuseum and Fondation Bayeux, offering a journey through centuries of artistic expression. The Rhine River, with its picturesque bridges, adds a romantic touch to Basel's urban landscape. Stroll through the Old Town, explore the vibrant Marktplatz, and discover the unique synthesis of tradition and innovation that defines Basel. As the capital of Switzerland, Bern preserves its medieval charm in a modern setting. The UNESCO-listed Old Town, with its Zietgloge clock tower and bear park, reflects Bern's rich history. The Federal Palace and the Einstein House pay homage to the city's political and intellectual legacy. A leisurely stroll through the Aar River Promenade offers stunning views of the cityscape. Bern invites you to explore its well-preserved medieval streets, where history and contemporary life seamlessly coexist. Nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, Montreux is a haven of tranquility and cultural vibrancy. Famous for its annual jazz festival, the city draws music enthusiasts from around the world. The lakeside promenade offers a breathtaking view of the Alps, while Chillon Castle adds a touch of medieval history to the landscape. Montreux's blend of natural beauty, artistic flair, and a mild climate makes it a captivating destination that captivates the soul. Switzerland's cities are more than just waypoints on a map. They are gateways to an enriching tapestry of history, culture, and natural wonders. From Zurich's bustling financial districts to Lucerne's serene lakeside vistas, Basel's cultural richness, Bern's medieval allure, and Montreux's harmonious blend of music and scenery, each city contributes to the Swiss mosaic in its own distinctive way. As you traverse these urban landscapes, you'll discover a nation that seamlessly merges tradition with modernity, creating an unparalleled experience that lingers long after the journey ends.